Previously on LEGO Ninjago Forbidden Spinjitzu. Clutch Powers found the tomb of the Pyro Vipers, but was captured. The ninjas received an emergency message from Clutch and set off to the Desert of Doom to save him. They entered the tomb, made it through the traps, and found Clutch Powers. But it was a trap! As Sphera appeared and attacked. The ninjas fought back, but it wasn't enough, and the Pyro Viper Queen stole Kai's firepower. The ninjas escaped, but were pursued. As Sphera used the Scroll of Forbidden Spinjitzu on Lloyd, and he disappeared. They tried to hold off the Pyro Vipers, but they proved too powerful, and the ninjas had to flee. CooperAce Productions presents LEGO Ninjago Forbidden Spinjitzu Part 2 Blizzard Samurai Awaken. This can't be good! Sphera teleported me! I need to get back to the others! But where am I? And why is it so cold? No way! That's a saber-toothed tiger! I'm glad it's frozen. I need to get somewhere warm and fast. Oh great! It wasn't frozen! No! Get away from me! Just leave me alone! No! That's a kitsune! That was a close one. I need to really find a way back to Ninjago. I've been walking for hours, and this blizzard has only gotten worse. I need to keep moving. Where am I? At least it's warm.
You're finally awake. Drink this.
That certainly tasted interesting.
It tastes like dirt, but it will help you feel better.
Thank you for helping me. What's your name?
I am Akita. And you are?
Lloyd Garmadon, the Green Ninja. I need to get back to Ninjago.
Ninjago is very, very far away. Take this. It will help you keep warm.
Thank you, Akita. This looks most useful.
We must get moving before another blizzard comes in.
Where are we going?
To the castle of the Forsaken Emperor.
Lead the way.
We have arrived.
So this is the castle of the Forsaken Emperor.
A great emperor once ruled this land. He wronged a serpentine witch who cursed them to eternal cold.
Serpentine witch? You must be referring to Sphera, the Pyro Viper Queen.
Who dares speak of Sphera?
No, this can't be happening.
I don't like this.
I had drifted away, but by hearing that name Sphera, it reawoke me and my lust for sweet revenge.
That's the Ice Emperor. We should leave now, Akita!
No, we can't leave without the Scroll of Forbidden Spinjitzu. It might be our only way back to Ninjago.
Our only way? You're from Ninjago?
I will explain when we're not under attack.
So you've come for the scroll. Then you're truly doomed. Arise, my Blizzard Samurai!
It's an honor to be back, Ice Emperor.
The intruders will be dealt with.
It's time we fight.
Indeed it is.
Let's see what you've got.
Bring
Yeah.
it! Here!
Yeah.
Here!
Ah.
They are tough, but not unbeatable.
They're mine. Whoa! Yeah!
The ninjas will fall.
Let's see how you like the heat. I don't think you like that at all. Show them no mercy.
They won't like this.
Green Ninja, watch out!
Whoa! Ah! You outsiders are truly pathetic.
You will pay for hurting him.
What are you? Ah! Ah! Wait! Akita's a kitsune?
This overgrown mutt's going down.
No! Yeah!
Thank you, Green Ninja. You saved me.
I guess that makes us even.
Asphera is back in Ninjago. I sense it. Once I'm done with you two, I will go to Ninjago, have my revenge, and enslave their world.
Never, Ice Emperor!
Finish him! Ha!
How foolish!
Ah!
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah!
Ah!
How disappointing! I wanted a challenge.
I've got the scroll! This must be the power of forbidden Spinjitzu! I feel awesome!
Give me back my scroll.
Never, Ice Emperor!
Then my ice dragon will destroy you.
Of course he has a dragon!
I think we've lost the Pyro Vipers.
Let's regroup here!
Sensei, will Kai be alright?
He'll be weak, but will survive.
Good news, Kai's awake.
My head's spinning! What happened to me?
You don't remember? Asphera stole your powers.
No! My powers can't be gone! Fire! No! Nothing happened! Don't worry, Kai! We'll find a way to get your powers back.
In the meantime, brother, you can use this to battle the Pyro Vipers. The Katana 4x4.
That's awesome! Thanks, sis! Hey, where's Lloyd? I can't see him here!
Lloyd's disappeared. Asphera did something to him.
I've been trying to detect him with my scanners. I've come to the conclusion that he's no longer in Ninjago.
No! Lloyd! He can't be gone again! Hey, ninjas! Hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's the Pyro Vipers!
You cannot escape from me!
Asphera! You're gonna pay for what you did to me!
Am I now? Destroy them, Pyro Vipers!
Sensei, what's the plan?
We need the scroll of forbidden Spinjitzu to save Lloyd, so we stay and fight!
We'll do our best.
You guys save me, so I'll stay and help you fight! Watch out! They're coming! Take the ninjas down!
This'll be fun.
Let's kick some butt!
Sounds good to me. Lightning! What?
You'll regret that!
Let's do this! Hen, stay down, Pyro Viper!
You can't stop us all.
Oh yeah? Just watch us!
Charge! Yeah!
Yeah!
Nice fighting!
Sure was, but we're not in the clear yet.
Whilst Asphera holds the scroll, I too have fire powers! Yeah! Watch out!
You need to cool down.
Fire melt ice, ninja! I'll be taking this! No! More stuff! Ninjago! Ah! That's what you get for messing with Ninjago. You're done for, Snake!
Foolish ninja!
Ah! I'm not done with you yet! Ah!
Kai needs help! Shuricopter to my location!
That's one cool copter!
Indeed it is! Shuricopter, let's fly!
You will join your green ninja! Yeah!
No! Not Zane as well! Get to the lamb bounty! She's too powerful!
Go, go, go!
I'm not leaving without my powers! Kai! Come with us! That's an order! No, Sensei! I need my powers back! Then we must leave without you! I'm sorry!
You're a fool to stay and fight!
Give me my powers!
No! But I still have a use for you!
To be continued! In LEGO Ninjago Forbidden Spinjitzu Part 3 Fire vs. Ice, coming this September 2019.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching CooperAce Productions. Would you kindly subscribe and check out more of our daily videos? Have an amazing day.